Hi there, students. To implode. Implode. Well, this is the opposite of to explode. It's to explode inwards. Imagine a submarine. It goes down and down, and it gets deeper and deeper and deeper, and the pressure gets greater and greater and greater, and then suddenly it implodes. And that's the idea of an implosion. So notice, implode the verb, implosion the noun. Okay, so if something implodes, effectively it falls inwards with great force. Yeah, I guess if you take a football and put it under more and more and more pressure, eventually it will implode, it will explode in an inwards direction. Yeah, but let's see. Well, that's pretty limited. You can use this verb to implode, meaning to fail dramatically. So to fall apart from the inside, to have a catastrophic failure. So his career imploded when they caught him stealing. Okay, so it just failed dramatically and horribly. Okay, so to cause to collapse, to make something collapse. Okay, the economy looks like it's in danger of implosion. Yeah, so to effectively to come to an end, to fail completely and very suddenly. Yeah, a dramatic failure. Okay, so there is compression, and then it suddenly collapses inwards. It's sort of like to self-destruct. Yeah. So the firm or the company was trying to make more and more and more money, but it ended up imploding because of its excessive greed. Yeah, it was borrowing money to make money, and then suddenly it imploded. Okay, so to implode, to collapse into itself in a violent way. Yeah, a system can implode. Something suddenly comes to an end because it can't deal with the problems. Yeah, so maybe the dictatorship finally imploded, and there was a social revolution, for example. Okay, so to implode, an implosion, is the opposite of an explosion. So the team seemed to implode. They'd worked really hard and used all their energy in the first 3/4 of the match, but they didn't have any energy left, and they seemed to implode, and the opposition thrashed them in the last 15 minutes. Okay, so catastrophic failure, implosion. Okay, to implode, formality. The business imploded. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal speaking or writing or something very formal. And then as to origin, well, it comes from to explode. Yeah, and explode comes from Latin explodere. Yeah, meaning to drive away by clapping. And apparently originally this verb was ex plaudere, to clap, to applaud, applaud. Yeah, and it was used on the stage to drive an actor off the stage by making a noise. I think it's probably the crowd booing and shouting at somebody. Yeah. And then originally it was used in English to mean to explode, to drive out with violence or with a sudden noise, but then to go off, to explode with a loud noise. Explodere, and now it's implodere, and that's the origin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Implode.